Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel KidsCodePro. Today we will begin to create a platform game using the visual programming language Scratch. We will create a character, define him costumes for the process of moving left, right, up and down. First you need to go to scratch.mit.edu. It's best to register and create an account there. And by clicking Create, let's go directly to the process. I will demonstrate the process with the help of our crab Sheldon. Here is he coming out to meet you. Here you can pause the video and come up with your own character and upload it by creating a new sprite, this way. Is it ready? Great! Now let's think about how our character will change visually in the process of moving left-right. In Scratch you can add a costume to each sprite. What is a costume? This is a preset sprite picture that you can switch to, creating an animation effect. Of course, it would be possible to create a different sprite each time and hide the previous one, but we're trying to avoid it, taking care of the performance and efficiency of our code. Costumes can be created separately using image editors or directly in the Scratch image editor. I decided that Sheldon the crab would move its paws, snap his claws and turn its eyes in the direction of movement. The more quantity of motion costumes you draw for character, the smoother and more realistic the character's movement will be. But too many pictures also increase the size of the application, which is affecting the speed of downloading on web and optimization of the application for mobile devices. Therefore, it is a good idea to keep only what is necessary. Let's pause the video again and design the character's movement costumes. If the costumes are ready, then it's time to finally create the first program code with which we will control the movement of our character on the screen. Go to the Code tab. Scratch code starts with an event. The application starts by clicking on the green flag. I always recommend that for each sprite in the first event, set the initial coordinates, so that you don't have to look for them again later. I also recommend always ending the script with the Stop this script block. So when you click the flag, the sprite from any other position will go to the starting position we set, and will wait there for further commands. In addition to the when the flag is pressed event, there are also other events. We will need the event when space K pressed. Instead of the space, select, for example, left arrow. What should happen when the left arrow K pressed? Movement to the left, so the position of the sprite on the x-axis will decrease by a certain number. There are several options, but now we use the Move 10 steps block, change the number of steps to 3, attach block point in direction -90, which is left, and set the block next costume. Let's not forget to set the rotation style to left, right. And now our character moving to the left, turning his eyes in the direction of movement and changing the costumes, making the impression of walking. Can you now develop your own movement code for walking to the right, up and down? Pause the video and try it yourself. Finished? Excellent. Let's compare your and my code. Yes, so far this is a simple and understandable code that does not take into account game situations, obstacles, simulation of gravity, and collisions with various dangerous objects. But we will refine this template, and as a result we will get a character template that can be placed in game situations of any complexity. But for today we will finish. In subsequent videos we will develop simulation of collisions with obstacles, gravity, level map and much more. Thank you for your attention. Sign up, click like if you like this video, sign up for a lesson through the website or Facebook. Links are in the video description. See you!